I'm going to be really vulnerable here for a second. Okay.
Ooh, I like it.
When I came to InsITe, somebody would ask me, "Hey, do you utilize Teams?" Yeah, I utilize Teams. I Teams people all the time.
I hear this all the time.
Yeah,
I'm good at messaging.
exactly.
We've all been on this
Good at
journey.
I am.
You got it. Yeah, that's exactly right. Like I Teams people all the time. I'm using the chat in Teams.
That's Teams.
Yeah.
Or I've
As
been.
far as Travis knew at that
As
point.
far as I knew at that
It's
point.
either that or I've been on a Teams meeting.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right. Exactly.
Those
yeah.
are the two.
When I came on here and I had to organize, Planner changed my life. Absolutely changed my life. As far as project management is concerned, how would you utilize Planner to phase out and create task assignments?
For certain projects, it does make sense to actually have like a template planner board that you can just say, okay, these are the tasks that we need to do. And so we can create, well, let's look at even our own events that we do as an example.
That's a great example.
So Dean and I, early on when we started collaborating together on this, I'm like, we really need to make this repeatable. So we actually spent the time to say, what are all the things that we normally do? What are the things that we should be doing? And let's create a really well built out plan. And we built it in Planner.
Yeah.
And so we have this all laid out so that all we have to do is the next time we're going to be planning for an event, all we do is we create a copy of that planner board. All of our tasks that we could possibly ever imagine or want are there for us to work on, assign to each other, or to put a date on it and those kinds of things. All of those planner tasks, including your personal to-dos and everything else, roll up there into the Planner app.
And it's easy. That's what I love, using a Kanban board that integrates with the rest of our tool stack in Teams, right? Like, what do I have to do today? And the best thing about a Kanban board is you can visualize at a glance, this is what I'm doing today. And you can feel the weight of that's too much or that's not enough. And you can drag stuff back and forth.
Yeah.
I love how easy it is for anybody to jump in and use Planner. It's very visually intuitive. And I think that's great for our teams. I don't want engineers and developers stuck in a tool in doing cumbersome administrative tasks. I want them to just see what they want to do, and they want that too. They want to show up and say, this is what I'm doing today. I get to pull it in with my own system. It's really simple, and I'm off to the races. I'm getting to work.
You got
Not
it.
doing all this clicking and jumping around and hopping between systems. If I have a question on something, I'm right in that Teams channel. I can message my teammates that are on that team and not people outside of that project. Now everything's in there. If I need to go back to the notes from the project call that we had the day before, we're linked into OneNote as well. Now I can reference that. Maybe we have a Power BI that's showing us how many agreement hours are left in our agreement or in our project budget. It's all this central hub, and I can just be in the moment and not clicking between a bunch of different systems. It just works, and it's so easy for everybody to have everything right at your fingertips and not be clicking between applications.